This is The Briefing, a podcast presented by Mussio Goodman Law Firm.
You might have heard as of September 1, 2019, what's happened is ICBC now has a new system whereby the amount of your premiums or your insurance costs will be based on the driver, not the actual vehicle. And that has far-reaching implications on young drivers and also on new drivers. As you might have seen in the media, there's instances of $5,000, $6,000 a year premiums, which is quite outrageous, quite frankly. Now, of course, individuals are going to have difficulty paying that and might cheat the system a little bit in terms of not fully disclosing who is the actual driver on a vehicle. Now, the problem with that is if the individual that's not fully disclosed on the policy of insurance as being the driver gets in a motor vehicle accident that is their fault, then what happens is you can be rest assured ICBC is going to breach them of the contract of insurance, and that could have a massive problem because unfortunately with the way the system is, ICBC can, for whatever reason they want, they can breach you of your contract of insurance, and it's your obligation to bring a lawsuit for a declaration that you have insurance. And most people won't know that, and they'll run past their limitation period and won't have any recourse. In the meantime, ICBC will negotiate settlement on the injury claim, payout hundreds of thousands of dollars potentially, even millions, and then go after the individual for repayment because of the breach of the contract of insurance. So it has far-reaching implications, and it would be a bad idea not to fully disclose who is the actual driver on the insurance policy. And yes, it's going to cost a lot more money, unfortunately, but it is a necessary evil because, as I tell people, if you don't fully disclose who's driving, they're in an at-fault accident, you're basically driving without insurance, and you're personally exposed and liable for the cost of the accident.